Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to factory reset your iPhone 2025 guide. So here, step 1, back up your data first. Secure your memories, seamless rotations, and irreversible deletion. So remember, a factory reset is designed to completely wipe all your data and settings from your device. Without a backup, everything will be permanently lost. So I suggest you adding yourself a backup first before you're doing that. Step 2, navigate to the reset setting. First on launch settings, begin by opening the settings app on your iPhone. It's usually represented by a gray gear icon on your home screen. Access General, scroll down to the options and tap on General, where you'll find very system-wide settings. Find Reset option, locate and select Transfer or Reset iPhone towards the bottom of the general menu. This section houses all reset related functionalities. Initiate erase. Finally, tap erase all content and settings. This is the option that you will prepare your device for all data wipe. So then, confirm and erase. Authenticate your identity, and then ESMS consideration. You encounter an option regarding your ESEM. Decide whether to erase your ESEM data along with your phone's content or keep it. If you choose to erase it, you may need to contact your carrier for reactivation. Final erase confirmation. A final confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are certain you want to erase your device. Tap erase iPhone to proceed with the factory reset. Secure data wipe. Your iPhone will begin process by securely wiping all data. This may take several minutes, during which your device will restart and display a progress bar, ensuring your device is connected to a power. Final tips on what to do if you are locked out. Forgot passcode. If you're locked out and can't remember your passcode, Apple provides a specific recovery option through iCloud. Or recovery mode. Explore this before attempting a reset that might lead to data loss. Post reset options. After the factory reset, your iPhone will present option to restore you from your previous backup or set it up as a brand new device. Choose the option that best suits your needs. When to restart, factory reset is ideal solution when preparing to sell, trade, or gift your iPhone. It's also effective for troubleshooting persistent software issue that other methods haven't resolved. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.